Do you want to transition into the world of product management? Do you want to build world-class products and you feel you have the knack for it, right? You have that visionary mind, you're great at building strategies, and you love execution. Well, if that is what you really are built, for, or you are excited about building, today I'll be sharing 4 ways that you can get into product management. So exactly, this video is going to include all of that, because I remember personally feeling really lost when I tried to shift the careers into product management, but with a lot of preparation and even more luck, I'm fortunate to say that I became a product manager at Inset. So hopefully by the end of this video, you will have a better understanding of how you can also become a product manager, right? And if this is your first time on our channel, my name is Afreen and I make videos about navigating your career as well as upskilling. So if either of those topics are interesting to you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also hit that like button. So let's nosedive into our topic and talk about the different 4 options, right? Starting with option number 1. Number 1 is build something. Literally anything, but build something, right? Product management is all about making things happen. And if you don't have, direct experience, the next best thing you could do is to build something, right? If you can show a hiring manager that you can understand the user's problem, right? You can develop solutions for set problem and prioritize the solutions to whatever you think is most realistic, and then actually deliver and solve, those user problems. Not only will that really allow you to understand whether or not you really want to do this, transition into the field of product management, you can also set yourself miles apart from other candidates who have never built something before, who actually haven't really done product management related work. Now, examples of things that you can build can range from mobile applications to physical products, even e-commerce business or service business. So whatever you're interested in, just go for it, right? Now, option number 2. The next option is to find a relevant PM program. Now, PM stands for product management, and PM programs are designed to develop a young, talented product manager for any organization, right? Now, PM programs are typically, they range from 6 months to a year. At times you'll find even 2 years program, at range. And they consist of candidates rotating across different product teams over the course of the program, right? And to get a strong sense, they do that, people from different, domains come and they're exposed to get a strong sense of different products available, within different companies, within different domains, right? This helps them in developing a strong network. Once you're building these products, you're getting connected with your mentors or maybe people from the industry of product management. You will build a strong network of product managers who can mentor you, who can guide you, and kind of help you in becoming really strong product managers, right? The tip number 3, and to give you a very quick background, basically of my work experience. I was a special educator teacher, in India, and I worked in operations earlier as well. And somehow then I found a way to become a product manager in Inset. So as you can see, I didn't have any direct product management experience prior to Inset. But if you're interested in product management programs, especially from Inset, please find the program link as well as the website link in our bio. Now, this is a really good program, the Inset's product management program, for people who are interested in becoming a product manager without having any prior product management experience. So if you have any specific questions about the PM program at Inset, leave them in the comment section below and I'll do my best to answer your question, right? Now coming to option number 3. Work with engineers and designers, right? Product managers work really closely with engineers and designers on a very day-to-day basis. So if you haven't already reached out to these people at your company, do that so that you can get a better understanding of what they do and potentially find projects that you guys can work on. Right? For example, big tech companies and startups, they host hackathons, right? You must have heard of it, where employees can team up and provide solutions to a very specific business problem. By the end of it, not only will you have a great experience working with engineers, You'll also develop a strong network of people within the hackathon and product community. And if you win, well, you might win prize money or better, a job. So now moving on to option number 4, right? There are internal transfers, right? Now, recruiting externally can be a really challenging task, for recruiters, because recruiters may require a prior product experience. But if you are a high performer at your current company and you have developed, this kind of, this trend within your organization where you are a fast achiever, right? It may be a lot easier to transfer internally into product, than externally competing against people who have prior product experience, right? Also, great companies are always looking forward, they're all about retaining their, employees, especially if you're a high performer. So these are just few ways that through which you can become a product manager. But the most important thing is to just get your hands dirty and start building, right? Now, if you have any specific question about the PM program and INSEAD or product management in general, or even if you have, you became a product manager, or there are, you want to become a product manager, and there are certain factors that you feel I didn't cover in this video, please add them in the comment section below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos that I post every day. Thanks for watching and have a good day, everybody.